In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with PayPal credit on eBay. Let's get started. Begin by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to ebay.com. If you haven't already, click the Sign In option at the top right corner and enter your login details. Once you've logged in, proceed by clicking on View Cart, located at the top of the page. This will take you to your shopping cart where you can review all the items you've added. After ensuring everything you want to purchase is in your cart, it's time to move on to checkout. Look for the Go to Checkout button and click it. This will direct you to the payment section where you'll be able to choose a payment method for your purchase. Now, since we're paying with PayPal credit, you'll need to select PayPal as your payment method. There should be a Pay with PayPal button readily available. Give that button a click and eBay will bring you to PayPal's login page. Enter your PayPal credentials. It's crucial here to remember to use the account that has the PayPal credit option enabled. Once logged into PayPal, you might see an option that says Get a Text. This is PayPal's way of ensuring it's really you authorizing the transaction. Choose this option if prompted, and a text message containing a verification code will be sent to the mobile number associated with your PayPal account. This step is crucial for the security of your account and helps prevent unauthorized transactions. Now enter the code you received in the designated field. With every step, you're getting closer to finalizing your purchase with PayPal credit. After typing in the code, click on Submit. Doing this confirms your identity and allows you to proceed with the transaction seamlessly. Finally, you'll see an option to Complete Purchase. Click this to finalize your order. Once you receive a confirmation that your purchase is complete, you can rest easy knowing you've successfully used PayPal credit to pay for your items on eBay. This process ensures not only a quick checkout, but also a secure one, leveraging PayPal's trusted and efficient payment system. Always remember, if you encounter any issues along the way, or if any of the steps seem unclear, you can refer back to this guide or contact PayPal's support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.